this assignment we're going to learn how to draw an eye, and we're going to be discussing art style called surrealism. There's a famous artist named Rene Magritte who has a famous painting called The False Mirror. So we're going to use that as a reference. So you're going to get your paper, you're going to hold your paper horizontal, and when we start the eye, I'm using a Sharpie so you can see the lines, but I want you to use a pencil and I need you to draw light. So if you make a mistake, when you erase the lines, go away. Alright, so the shape of the eye is kind of like a football shape. So we're going to start over here. We're going to leave a little space on the left side. So kind of put your finger, leave a little space. And we're going to draw a smiley face at the bottom of your paper all the way across. So draw light, and if you make a mistake, erase the line. Alright, so smiley face, and then now we're going to do a frown face, and it's going to almost look like a football shape. So I'm going to put my pencil over here, and I'm going to go up and all the way across, curve it, and you're going to connect to this end. Okay, so here there's a little bit of space. So we did the bottom lid of the eye, we did the top lid of the eye. Okay, now we're going to do right here the tear duct. So it's going to be a little curve. So what I'm doing is I'm going to continue this line and go down, and I'm going to curve up like that. Small little curve, and then connect. Okay, so there's the tear duct. And I'm going to make a slight curve this way to complete the tear duct. Okay, curve line like that. Alright, the next shape that we're going to do on the eye is going to be called the iris. And there's going to be a big circle right here. So it's not going to be a complete circle. You're going to start over here on the top of the eyelid. You're going to go around like you're making a circle, but you're not going to touch the bottom. So you're touching the top. Go around like you're making a circle. And then go back up and connect to the top eyelid. Okay, so that right there is called the iris. And then another shape that we're going to do inside is a complete circle. That is called the pupil. So in the middle, you do a complete circle. And there's your pupil. Okay? Now the last shape I'm going to do is another curved line. I'm going to follow the contour of this line. Okay? And that is the fold of the eye. So when you blink, that's the part that creases in. Okay? And you just follow the contour. Now I'm not going to add eyelashes, but you can add eyelashes if you want. Because what I'm doing is I'm trying to resemble Magritte's artwork. So what you're going to do is you're going to get your color pencils, your crayons, or your markers, and you are going to color. So you actually need to draw two eyes. So one of them you're going to color realistic, because the style that we're learning called surrealism, it plays with realism and unrealism. So you're going to color one eye and make it look real. So I want you to look in the mirror, and I want you to look at your eye and color it your eye color. The pupil is real dark, like black or a dark brown, and you see some little lines probably reaching out of it. So shade it, lights and darks, in the edge of the iris too. And then you're going to also do another one. So this one's going to be realism. The one that Rene Magritte does is surrealism. And that plays with your imagination and something that is unreal in your subconscious. So draw something that is unreal inside the iris. And so I did one that resembles his work, and I put clouds inside my eye. So draw something that has to do with your atmosphere, some clouds or grass, trees, or you can come up with your own imagination. So draw one that's surrealism and one that's realism. And that is the video for how to draw an eye. Like I said, I did not do any eyelashes, but you can add eyelashes if you want to. I didn't want to do it because I wanted to represent Rene Magritte's artwork.